let me begin this conversation with Ambassador Mukherjee. Ambassador Mukherjee, several talks, ma'am, as well as expectations of mediation are currently being declined. In your assessment, when exactly can we expect the current escalation to settle down?
Well, you know, Devika, the Cambodians and the Thais have a difficult relationship. One of them is the dispute over what is called the Priya Vihar temple, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and which has two entrances, one from the Thai side, one from the Cambodian side, and which the Thais claim as their own territory. They have a disputed boundary. But in this particular case, the Thais have escalated the conflict by using fighter jets, etc. This is the first time that I am aware of, and I used to follow this Thai-Cambodian dispute when I was ambassador to UNESCO, when the Priya Vihar dispute started. The international community and neighboring countries were always able to persuade both sides to back off after a couple of days of hostilities, which were never escalated to the level of using air force, because naturally Thailand has a much superior air force, for that matter, much superior defense forces to the Cambodians. But the neighborhood usually has always supported Cambodia as a smaller country, which has gone through very difficult times, civil war, etc. And even for the dispute on Priya Vihar, the international sympathies have always been with Cambodia rather than with Thailand. This time we have to watch and wait and see how the hostilities can be brought down. Usually in the past, the Indians used to be roped in as well as the Chinese. This was interesting. This was some years ago. Both countries, both China and India, were able to play a very useful role in calming down the sensitivities on both sides. Now, I suppose what would be required would be some mediation on behalf by ASEAN, by the ASEAN countries, both belong to ASEAN, etc. And also to make the Thais understand that this kind of aggressive behavior towards a much smaller neighbor is meaningless. They have to live in peace with each other. And although they've had a difficult relationship over the last 10 years on this border dispute, it's never escalated to such levels. So it's distressing to find that it's gone to this level. Maybe what it needs is for President Trump, Devika, to say that he has arranged a ceasefire between the two and take credit for it. And then maybe both parties can write to the Nobel Committee and nominate Trump for a further ceasefire, which he has arranged, for which he should get the Nobel Peace Prize. I say that in jest, but we've seen in all the recent conflicts, every single ceasefire or calming down of the dispute, the credit has always been taken by the American president. Let's see what he says on this one. I was not able to Google to see whether he's made any comments so far on this particular dispute.